Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to give some details about the coding test interview from Bank of America is recently conducted. String compression. So the problem statement is that it will be given as input string. So you need to loop the input string and count each character and give the count character and count. So here is example input and a second example here and third example. So the first thing is that we need to spend at least 5 minutes time to understand the input and output, because the test cases whatever configured at the background is totally different. So what we think about, so that's why we need to very carefully observe the input and output strings. Yeah, here is the input string. Basically they are given the code in a coder pad. So I cannot show it in a CoderPad, so I'm just showing it in Eclipse. So I will quickly start now. Just looping the string length. Start from 0, it's -1. I'm defining a map because in a map I want to retrieve a character and the counter. So first I'm looping the first character. Sorry. I'm just the first value anyway will get null. So from the hash map, I is already there. I'm checking this whether the value will be null. So first value will be null. If not null, I'm checking whether the value is null. If not, they'll get the count from the hash map and then increase. Otherwise, the count will be 1. One here. value plus 1. So if first I'm looping the character, each character, get the character from the hash map written as integer, and hash map dot put character and the value. So we got a hash map now. So I'll loop hash map. Spelling is wrong, so it's okay. Key value. Yeah, here is output. So I approach this process, but some of the test cases are failing because one of the test cases, but according to this string, according to this input string, whatever the output, we got it as correct. But some of the test cases, the input string is like this, just adding on it, a b b, again I'm just added. So the expectation of the output for that test case is, again, should be like a to b2. It's not like each character and then looping it. So whatever string compression for each loop, for each time. So here a is repeated twice. So it should be a to here, b to here. At the last is repeating a and b as well. For this string, the whatever the code, it won't work. See, so it's counting a4, but the test case output should be like a2 at the beginning and a2 at the last and b2 as well. But here it's looping all the a's and b's here, so which is not expected for the test cases. So, but the logic is correct, but the expected input and output is incorrect. That's why I need to recode it and recheck the input and output in examination. For that, it would waste another 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. Yeah, I'm keeping the same string. I'm just commenting this code. and defining a string builder. So I'm just defined a string builder. I'm just looping how I looped before. Here the logic is that um, first first character and second character, comparing the first character and second character. If it is same, will increase the count. If it is not the same, it means A, here the second character and the third character is not same. So if the third character and second character is not same, append the string builder and the count. So when I loop to A, the count is 1, and the second character looping, the count is 2. So the string builder will append the character and the count if the consecutive, the next character is not equal. Then append the character and the count. So here the same character may repeat again. So I need to make the count as 0 as soon as the string builder and the count is added to this one. So I'll check it now. So let's count go to 0 here. I'm defining here. So the loop continues. I'll increase the count here. As soon as it starts, the loop will compare the character So I'm comparing all next consecutive characters here. So this is the for loop. I'll add here, and as soon as it it's not matched, right? If it is not matched, then string builder will add concatenation, append this character. And count as well. So as soon as it's not equal, so it will all count it in first character, it increase 1. So if it is same, it won't go to this loop and it increase the count again here. So the second loop, the count will be 2 here. As soon as the character is not same, and append the character here. And most importantly, count should make it as 0. So it starts a fresh count if the character is not same. So let's print the character comparison string now. Yeah, it prints here, but it's not printing at the last. So we'll check it now. Here it is counting till this part 82, but it is not checking the last character because it's not going to the length. So here we need to give one condition. So I'm just giving the condition to it so that it will check the last character of it. Let's see it's printing or not. Yeah, it is printing. So here is a no hash map is not required. Just we use a string builder to get the this character comparison, string comparison. So with the character, so just simply loop it from the for loop, from the in the for loop, count it, okay, and add the count as well as the character here. Make a count as 0. So that's a simple logic compared to so. So my request is to look at the input and outputs what the test case, because the test cases at the background it fails, but we may not be writing test cases at the when you're writing the code, when you're practicing the code in Eclipse, but at the back end the tool which is provided, Elite Code or hacker job. So all these tools will the test cases has to be run, and also there is a null check as well, null check as well. So that is also test case will fail. Here we need to write if yes null here here there is no separate method here. I didn't write any separate method. That's why it's not taking any return value. So when uh, when checking that one, so the test case will check the string length as well as whether it's null. So the test case is expecting to return a empty value like this. empty string. So here is not required here this moment. So we need to check that one as well in actual exam. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, just give me a comment, or if you really hope this is the information is much useful for you. So please like, comment. If any questions, please message me, comment me. Thank you.